How to access Mastery Tapes audio using the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the More icon, located at the lower right corner. Another page will appear. Tap on the Content Library button and tap on the Audio button. You can use the search box to type a keyword, or you can scroll down to explore all the available Mastery Tapes options. Tap on the play button of the selected audio and you can start listening using your device. Please note that in the recordings, you may hear multiple voices speaking at the same time. This is intentional and not a technical issue or problem with the tape. The recordings were made this way and are working as expected. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.